This crypto arbitrage I'm about referring to you today is one of the most simplest crypto arbitrage updates of the year 2026. Meanwhile, Happy New Year to you all. So, right on this update, I will guide you through the step-by-step guide on how to get started on this arbitrage. Within 5 to 10 minutes, you are done executing this arbitrage, and this video is also within 7 to 8 minutes. So if you're able to stick around and watch this video from beginning to the end, you see how you can profit from this simple arbitrage I'm about referring to you right on this update. The first thing you have to do to get started on this arbitrage update is for you to own a Bitget account and also a MEXC account. Right on your Bitget account, once you are done creating it, make sure it's fully verified, and also do the same thing for your MEXC account as well. Make sure all your accounts are fully verified. Once you are done with that, then the next thing you are going to be doing is for you to select the coin we are using for this particular crypto arbitrage. And for this particular crypto arbitrage, we are going to be making use of Pi Network. Pi Network, that is what we are making use of right on this particular crypto arbitrage. Right here, once you have selected your Pi Network, the next thing you are going to be doing is for you to check the price, and we are going to be comparing the price on MEXC to the price on Bitget. Right here on Bitget, Pi Network is trading for 0.2040, and right now let's go to the other exchange, which is MEXC. On MEXC, Pi Network is trading at 0.2422. That is the price on MEXC, right? That is what you can see right here. So what do we do after now? Once you have compared the both price on MEXC and also on Bitget, then from here you are going to know if we are going to be in a profit if you carry out this arbitrage or not. Once you have confirmed and do your proper calculation, and again you confirm the gas fee, and you see if you execute this particular trade, you will definitely be in a profit, then it is time for us to go ahead to buy Pi Network. And when we are buying Pi Network, we are going to be buying Pi Network from MEXC, okay? Based on my experience on this particular arbitrage, based on the testing I've done on this arbitrage, don't trade below $100 if you want to be profitable on this arbitrage. If you are trading below $100, you may be incurring unnecessary losses instead of you making profit. So right here, this is the price on MEXC. That is what you can see right here. So we are going to be purchasing on MEXC, and when you want to carry out this arbitrage, make sure you are switching from limit order to market order, because your timing is very, very important right on this arbitrage update. If you are not fast enough, the price can actually fluctuate in between, and this can cause unnecessary losses, okay? But I will guide you through on how to avoid risk and losses right on this arbitrage. From what you can see right here, after you have decided you are going ahead to purchase your Pi Network on MEXC, make sure you copy your Bitget Pi Network address and paste it right here. Once you paste your Bitget Pi Network address right here, the next thing you are going to be doing is for you to proceed to send the fund to your Bitget. Once you send the fund to your Bitget, the next thing you are going to be doing is for you to switch from market order to limit order to confirm first if you are in a profit or not. Once you see that you are in a profit, then you can switch back to market order and sell it off immediately to take your profit and proceed again for another round of trade. If the market is still profitable at that particular time, then you can be carrying out multiple trades within less than an hour, okay? But always make sure you check if you are in a profit or not. Check if you are in a profit by checking the price differences and also by adding your gas fee. The gas fee is extremely low. It's about $0.04, which is extremely low. If you are transferring as high as $1,000, $10,000, you are still going to be paying 0.04 gas fee. That is one amazing thing about this crypto arbitrage. The more trading capital you have, the much more profit you are likely to make. But remember, like I said, this is only for educational purpose. We all know crypto trading is highly risky, and if you don't want to take any risk, maybe this update is not really for you. And again, if you are yet to purchase my Crypto Millionaire video course, you can use the link right on this video description to purchase that course. That course has arbitrage trading tutorial in it. It has future trading for beginner, spot trading for beginner, how to spot local crypto coin even before they are listed on tier 1 exchange. Everything is loaded right on that video course, and this video course is going for just $10. The value you are going to be getting right in this video course is far below the price you are getting the video course. If you are interested, just use the link right on the pin message to reach out to me. And for those of you that you think you want to be making passive income even without trading by yourself, then you can consider joining our trading service where we trade on behalf of our interested subscribers. Over there, we all share profit whenever there is a profit, and you don't even have to lift a finger for you to earn passively. All you just have to do is for you to decide how much trading capital you want to start with, and from there you can start getting passive income for yourself without trading on your own. So guys, if you think this video has made sense to you in one way or the other, and you want much more updates on crypto arbitrage in this year 2026, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, turn on your notification bell, and if you think you have one question to the other, always drop your comment in the comment section. I'll be there to respond to you. See this video right here to learn more way to make money right in the crypto space, or see this one right here to learn this one particular app that has been paying me since the year 2023. I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.